Presenting a pre-owned 2019 Nissan Frontier SV. This four-door truck has a 6-cylinder, 4.0-liter V6 engine with rear-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Nissan has less than 59,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, wireless data link, rear privacy glass, window defogger, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, stability control, and traction control. Call Timbo at 770-554-0300. Thank you for choosing Graham Automotive.